Hey, I'm Jeremiah with ENS. I got a couple of other team members here in the Network Operations Center side of things. And I do like the saying, if you want to get something done, give it to a busy person, because that's exactly what we're doing right now. So for an introduction, what we do is we're basically the Network Operations Center, ENS, for digital signage around the world. So we have the digitalsign.com, and case in point, confirmation, guys, we go into a call here in about 50 minutes for taking over management for a bunch of signs for airports in the Caribbean, right?
Hey,
Yeah, come on. That's pretty cool. We take it for granted because we've been doing this for years. Harvey, how long have we worked together for?
years.
6 years. Yeah, long time. So for anybody that wants to check us out, they can go to thedigitalsign.com, they can go to ENS Corporate, and this is the project that we're working on, Launch Online. It's just simply the idea of taking all the tools that we use to do what we do successfully, showing it off to other business owners to network with them. And if they like some of the tools, these are all, third-party tools. They're things that they could implement, like a proper CRM, like how to do email systems properly, how to manage their own domain properly, how to set up WordPress, and that's what you're doing right now, Arby, right?